Genius Scorpion K10 is a cheap gaming keyboard with RGB lighting coming around $29. The keyboard is built out of plastic but feels heavy and premium for its price and does not slide on the desk. On the bottom side of the keyboard you can find two rubber padded feet. The keyboard is equipped with mechanical-like switches, and Genius is claiming to provide a real mechanical feel with this keyboard. Here is a short sound and tapping test on this keyboard. RGB lighting has 6 modes that you can choose from. You can change the lighting effects by pressing function key in combination with some other keys specified for that. With F keys you can control Windows Sound, Media Player, Open Email, Go to Homepage, Lock Windows key, or Open Calculator. This keyboard also has 19 anti-ghosting keys designed for better gaming performance. Overall, I think that this is a great keyboard for its price, and I would personally recommend it to anyone looking for a cheap keyboard with RGB lighting. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more videos.